Welcome, and today we're going to do our solar system video. I hope you enjoy. First, we're going to talk about the sun. It's 1000 C between 2000 C, and it's also named a star. It's like the size of a star. So maybe when you're on Earth, you don't see it like that. You see it very tiny. Judging, we're going to Mercury. Oh! Mercury was the first planet from the sun. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. And if it's 88 days or 88 Earth days, it's already 1 year. So it's like 6 or 7 years will be 1 Earth year. Observation. Oh, I'm going to Venus. Oh. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is also named after the Roman gods. It takes 243 Earth days to go around the sun, but this is different from Earth. It rotates the opposite as Earth. It's the third planet from the sun. It is a place that people can live, and that's been living for 4.5 billion years. And this is the only planet that's not named after a god, which is great news. Next is the moon, of coursely, which is why it's a moon of Earth. And it's not really called as a god as well. But some people have been landed on the moon. It was the only place from the solar system that people have gone to. Well, let's discover more. Oh, I'm in Mars! Ah! This is the fourth planet away from the sun, and it's of coursely the second smallest planet in the solar system, but it's only bigger than Mercury. It's also named the red planet. Next was Jupiter, and Jupiter is the fifth planet away from the sun. It is between all the things that are happening. It is like a night to Earth because it saves from the asteroids coming to Earth, because if there wasn't any Jupiter existed, then Earth will have asteroids every few seconds, and that would be terrible. It also has a planet called Io. I want to go to Saturn. Ah! Saturn is the sixth planet away from the sun. It is quite close. It has rings all around it. And of coursely, it also orbits 29 years. What I forgot to tell about Jupiter was 12 years. So if you're 12 years old, it's a Jupiter year. Just want to tell you some non-known facts about Jupiter. It takes very less time. 10 hours is 1 day, so to sleep is going to be less. Jupiter is also 1,300 times as Earth. But Saturn is a little smaller, but it's the second biggest planet. But Jupiter is the biggest. It's kind of like half our solar system altogether. Of coursely, Jupiter and Saturn are both gas giants. But Saturn is 95 times bigger than Earth. Oh no, I'm gonna go it's a gas giant! Yikes! This is the seventh planet from the sun. And of course, it's the biggest planet of mass. It is also similar to Neptune. And it's quite a lot of days. Maybe like 126 or something. Finally, Neptune is the eighth planet from the sun, and of course it's 60,000 days for 1 year. And that's good. It's very cold, like hundreds, -100 and -300. You feel cold and you want a jacket. Finally, it's Pluto, which got destroyed in 2006. Now we call it a dwarf planet. I forgot to mention there is moons. Many moons in Jupiter. There's also many moons in Saturn, 2 moons in Mars, and no moons in Mercury and Venus. You know why? Because it's so hot, it's going to explode. Boom! This is the most important thing. This is called the black hole, which you can get sucked in and get thinner and thinner till you can just get composed into very tiny pieces of crumbles. And it's 3,000 light years away from Earth. So you got to travel quite a long time. It's like a big travel from space. gonna be one last fact is maybe science fiction. Of course, there might be aliens on other galaxies because there's a billions and trillions of galaxies. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Bye, guys. I hope you come and greet me.